All right, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life and the wrench light on a 2015 Honda Accord. First, we're just going to hit the start. Don't put your foot on the brake. We're just going to hit the start button right here. Hit it once and hit it twice. Now our menu is going to pop up here. And to scroll through this menu, we're just going to hit this button here. Keep scrolling. You can just keep pushing this until you see your service. Then we're going to go ahead and push and hold. Now that's flashing. We're going to go ahead and release it and push and hold again. And our oil life is back to 100%. Let's see if our wrench light went out that was on prior. So we're going to go ahead and shut the car back off. Go ahead and restart it. All right. Yep. Service light and wrench light are off on this 2015 Honda Accord.